Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of HostSonic 2.0. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this. Introducing Premium Hosting Solution to host unlimited websites and domains on blazing fast servers at one-time fee and zero restrictions. Log into our ultra-secure HostSonic account and insert your domain name. You can add unlimited domains and unlimited websites. Start managing your hosting account from our user-friendly and powerful control panel in just minutes. Web apps for protection, for SEO, for traffic, for design, for images, and more, all in one click, auto-activate. You only have to pay once to profit forever. At just one-time payment, you can host unlimited websites and domains. No restrictions, no limitations, and no monthly charges ever. Our cutting-edge compression algorithm helps to load your sites and pages at lightning-fast speed with no downtime. All your precious data and websites are protected by our end-to-end SSL encryption. Also, you can get unlimited free SSL certificates. Get unlimited bandwidth to provide consistent site performance even with high traffic or large media files. Also, you can create and manage unlimited MySQL database at no extra cost. You'll get your own personalized email accounts to create and manage your professional emails easily. Install WordPress on your sites in just one click. Create beautiful sites and make them live in just minutes. Our advanced A panel, alternative panel, is simpler and more powerful than C panel. It allows you to create, manage, and edit your websites easily. All-in-one software that lets you upload and manage all your domains, website files, and DNS records from anywhere, at any time. There's nothing to install or download, it is 100% cloud-based. That means you can host and access your websites from anywhere in the world, at any time, on any device. No need to wait for days, we have a dedicated support team to answer all your queries and resolve your issues on time. Say goodbye to forking out a huge chunk of your hard-earned profits for monthly hosting subscriptions. HostSonic provides you an extensive array of features, at just a low one-time price. Well, it's a valid question. While other hosting services charge a monthly subscription for limited resources, how could we offer unlimited hosting a one-time price? The thing is, we developed our own technology using our own servers and data center instead of relying on third-party programs. That allows us to focus on growing inwards with tech while providing reliable, fast, secure, and feature-packed hosting for a low one-time price. Titan Core is a blazing fast and reliable tech that can withstand traffic and server usage without costing millions to maintain. That leads to a much better shared hosting experience and cost less to maintain for the same effort. This is the reason we are charging much lower than the competition. But, even with that being said, the price we offer on this special launch is temporary and will increase from $47 to $97 soon. Anyone who wants to save money on web hosting so their business can be more profitable. Anyone who is searching for premium web hosting at one-time low price. Anyone who want to dazzle their customers or visitors with the fastest loading pages. Anyone who wants complete protection over their data and website. Affiliate marketer, online and offline business owner, e-commerce website owner, or someone who is currently paying for hosting. Anyone who want to 10x their profits by saving more and retain most of their profits. Anyone who doesn't want to worry about paying extra for better servers and performance as their business grow. Anyone who doesn't want to compromise their site performance and speed. Anyone who wants to manage their websites easily and quickly set up new ones within minutes without any tech skills or hiring experts. Anyone who wants to survive and thrive in this new age digital world with a website. Cut down your current monthly hosting expenses so you can keep more of the money you generate every month. Dazzle your visitors to boost your conversions and sales with lightning-fast page load speeds. Free up more money to reinvest in marketing or other business ventures to make more profits. Save money in outsourcing website development and management services, since now you can do it on your own and within minutes. Create more time to work on other money-making activities to boost your ROI. Fire expensive hosting providers that suck up your profits and take advantage of your inevitable need for hosting. Stop living in constant fear of losing your precious data to bully hackers and paying them an arm and a leg as ransom. Never again lose potential customers and sales due to site loading error or slow loading speed. Stop paying monthly subscriptions to money-sucking and sub-par hosting services that take away a huge chunk of your profits. Stop spending too much money and time on learning all the tech stuffs in order to manage your website and data. Your investment is completely risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. We have designed HostSonic to deliver a secure, ultra-fast, and unlimited hosting solution that's affordable and built to support your business growth. While we're confident you'll love the performance and reliability, in the rare event that you face a technical issue we are unable to resolve, we offer a 30-day conditional refund. If our tech team is unable, so that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.